social disorganization. Overview. Life is a process of continuous adjustment and readjustment. The disorganization is always undergoing a change, necessitating adjustment of its different parts. When the various parts of society are properly adjusted, we have social order and a well organized society. But when they fail to adjust themselves to the changing conditions, the result is social disequilibrium or disorganization, leading to social problems. Meaning of social disorganization: process opposed to social organization. Can you define social disorganization? According to Emil Durkheim, a state of disequilibrium and a lack of social solidarity or consciousness among the members of a society. Illustration. Look at this flow chart. Individual, family, religion, education, economic institutions, political institutions. This is a organized society, which means social organization. Social disorganization means any abnormalities or any differences in this organized system. For example, in a community having good families, good religion, good economy, but there is no education, what will happen? The people suffer from illiteracy, which is a major social problem. Also, that disorganization impact on other social institutions. So this is a phenomenon of social organization and disorganizations. Theoretical approaches. 1. The social pathological approach. 2. Social disorganization approach. 3. Value conflict approach. 4. Deviant behavior approach. 5. Labeling approach. 6. The cultural lag approach. Characteristics of social disorganization. First, conflict of mores and institutions. Second, transfer of functions from one group to another. 3. Individualization in terms of self. 4. Change in role and status. Detail going on. First, conflict of mores and institutions. As we have studied earlier, every society has its mores and institutions which regulate the life of its members. With the passage of time, these mores and institutions become obsolete. New ideals arise, new institutions are formed, the existing mores come into conflict with new mores. Second, transfer of functions from one group to another. In an organized society, the functions of different groups are defined and predetermined. But as society is dynamic, the functions of one group are transferred to another. 3. Individualization. Man today thinks in terms of self. The functions of different groups are determined in purely individualistic terms. Under the impact of individualism, every person thinks upon all the important matters of life from his individual viewpoint. The young men and women want to take decisions on such important matters are marriage, occupation, recreation and morality in accordance with their individual prejudices, interests and attitudes. This trend has set in a dangerous process of social disorganization. 4. Change in the role and status of the individual. In an organized society, the roles and status of people are defined and fixed. Their functions are well defined and they carry on the task allotted to them. They enjoy the status in accordance with their role in society. A primitive society suffers less from disorganization because it is stable and its members follow the profession allocated to them. Factors of social disorganization. 1. Formalism. 2. The decline of sacred elements. 3. Individuality of interest and taste. 4. Personal freedom and individual rights. 5. Population heterogeneity. 6. Mutual distrust. 7. Unrest or conflict phenomenon. Causes of social disorganization. 1. Division of labor. 2. Violation of social rules. 3. Industrialization. 4. Cultural lag. Unequal rate of change. 5. Disaster. Man-made or natural. 6. Maladjustment. Detail going on. First, division of labor. According to Emil Durkheim, extreme division of labor is the cause of social disorganization. Division of labor is generally productive of social solidarity, but when it becomes excessive and complex, then solidarity diminishes or disappears, and social equilibrium is disturbed. Extreme division of labor gives rise to economic crises of all kinds, class struggles and individual strife, and leads to the demoralization of individuals, the family and the community. Second, violation of social rules. According to W. H. Thomas, when the rules and regulations of society fail to keep individuals under control. Social disorganization sets in the society. There are always individuals who violate social rules. This has a disorganization effect upon social institutions, and unless the violations are checked, they may eventually lead to the death of institutions. According to Eliot and Merrill, without social values, neither social organization nor social disorganization would exist. Three, industrialization. Industrialization creates conditions, leads to social disorganization. The effects of industrialization on family structure and relationships. Industrialization is seen in system that leads to capitalism, exploitation, and class conflicts. It has also contributed to unemployment, crime, immorality, family disorganization, urbanization, and evils. 4. Cultural lag. Ogban maintained in the social change that disorganization is caused primarily by the unequal rate of change in the different parts of culture, resulting in a conflict between them. The disproportionate rate of change in various elements of the functionally interdependent component system of a changing social structure produce a condition of disequilibrium. This uneven change is due to the fact that inventions and discoveries are made more frequently in certain parts of culture, usually the material parts, than in others. Five, disaster, man-made or natural. While war is the result of social disorganization, it is also its cause. War disturbs the economy of a country and introduces confusion and disorder in society. War leads to scarcity. There is economic crisis during the war period. It inflates the prices and the people resort to hoarding and black marketing. Seven, maladjustment. Ogban maintained other cause of social disorganization, and it is the lack of adaptation of man's inherited nature to the environment of group and culture. Man's nature is modified very slowly through changes, whereas culture is altered with comparative rapidly. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.